Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm going to do a few videos on real property, selling and buying, residential contracts of sale, things of that nature. It seems to go in tandem with the type of neighborhood general practice that I have. I do have a specific focus on issues that affect the elderly. I do guardianship, estate planning, and I do real estate. I have an associate. Together we handle contested matters in the fields of guardianship, probate, and divorce. But real estate is a thread that runs through many of my areas of practice. We represent divorcing couples, and the property will ultimately be sold, often enough. In the context of estate planning, we have to deal with property and even transfer property, do deed changes and things of that nature. In the estate administration, right, probate or an administration proceeding in surrogate's court, often enough, as a result of obtaining the permission and authority of the court, we will ultimately sell real property. So again, we handle quite a lot of real property. So I'm in the middle of a buy-sell for a client. Client sold property. They actually, husband and wife, went to live with their adult child, and now they're waiting for to complete their purchase of a new home. The client was in the office today and asked, "When do you think I can move in?" Well, I'm kind of taking you at the tail end, but there's an on or about date closing. Typically that's 60 days. Doesn't have to be. It could be in line with some other date. But we have not yet, in this transaction, approached the date that we have set in the contract. But some of the, I'll phrase it this way, a limiting factor to move into the new property is, do you have your money secured? Right? Is your lender willing to give you the money now? That's by a written commitment and then bank clearance. Are the title issues cleared, meaning there's no judgments or liens or violations? And the two other external factors meet up. Are you willing to move in now? And is the seller willing to get out? Do they have a new place to live? So all of that has to be coordinated. If you need to know more, please reach out to frankbrunolaw.com.